Hi, I'm Phil from ACT Fire and Rescue, and today we're going to look at some simple actions you can take to help reduce the risk of fire in your kitchen. The number one thing to do to prevent fires in the kitchen is to keep your stovetop and oven clean and clear of anything that might easily catch fire. These include aerosols, cleaning products, alcohol and cooking oils, which should be stored away from heat. Items on the countertop can allow fire that might have started in a pan to spread somewhere else. Also, make sure pot and pan handles are facing away from you to avoid getting knocked over. And always keep an eye on children and pets in the kitchen. Remember, don't stop looking while you're cooking.